Welcome back to another episode, guys. Today we're down at Botany. We're going to get some yakkers and we're either going to send it offshore to a FAD to try and catch a late season Mahi, or we're just going to go kingy fishing. Fingers crossed we actually get something, so come along for the ride. Also, when we catch one, all the others are going to come too, if that makes sense.
Yeah, I think I understand. They follow.
Yeah, so if we hook one, all the friends check this. Oh man, shock. A light bait out. So Yes! So can you just put recording your phone, maybe?
Ah.
Oh, dude, I didn't realise they were this big. Hey, do you see it?
Yep.
Jump. It's so much heavier than I thought they would be. We're so not using 30-pound. Jump. It's so much heavier than I thought they would be. We're so not using 30-pound. You
Grab the net.
yeah. I'll try and flip him to the other side.
Oh, fuck the thing. Damn trouble.
Because I'm shaking so much. Alright, I'm gonna need to pop that rod off. I'm also gonna need you to try and fix the boat. What? So I'm gonna need you to pop that rod off and put back the rocks and shit.
That on?
Yeah, it's on.
Alright. Let's fucking go! Woo! Look at that!
Alright, I'm gonna bring it around your way. He's hooked in the treble, which is ideal. Ready?
I'm gonna put that down.
Hang on.
Oh,
Cool.
I think I got that on fucking GoPro. Let's go. Alright. Yeah, we got it. And back down.
No!
No! Fuck! Fuck!
I see it. Maybe. He's just there. Do you see him?
Oh yeah.
Can you try stopping? Yeah, no, you sweet. Sweet. We're around the FAD. How are you feeling, Chris?
Good.
Lovely. We did it, Benjamin.
Oh, there we go.
Nice fish, man. Yes! Not bad, bro, not bad, finally. At least you got a fish. How was that for a fight?
There you go, that's actually pretty good.
That's pretty good. Like he's only tiny, but still. Chris just got his first Mahi. Ooh, and he's what, like 53? So not legal, but still good Mahi. And crack a day out here offshore. Finally ventured to the FADS. And hold him up if you can. Oh, beautiful. Here, sit there so you can get some sun. Lovely, what a fishy. Alrighty, we shall send him back. There we go, guys, we finally got the Mahi. We came out here today. I was just trying to, we've been trying all morning. We got an absolute stonker, probably twice the size of this, maybe a bit bigger, so smaller. And we've been getting no luck since that, so I just chucked on a little pilchard that we were using to catch a live bait. This was actually on the 6 pound setup. So now that we got one, I'm absolutely stoked. The pressure's off. We came all the way out here on our dinghy. And what a beautiful fish. Check out the colours on him.